Ito yung
Good evening, teacher.
good evening. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Um, Kasi pas MDR, NDARMC kay pakabana pa ako at yun. Kasi MDRMC, matanan sa iba ko. Tanaw, tanaw. Tanaw. Tanaw, tanaw sa iba daw ko. Okay? Kamalihan ko. Okay, so we have here time expressions. Hi, Tono.
Teacher.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So we have here our lesson is about time and expressions. Okay, so before we will read, let us get ready. Please do the task and get ready. What are some phrases used to mark time and how can they be confusing? Second questions, what are your impressions of people who are early or late to meetings? So what can you say? Okay, so please read silently about this one, about the email to Mark from Sarah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you read, and then after a while, you tell me if you're doing great or if you think you understand. Okay, so Tono, go Tono. Okay, done? So this is about Mark. I'm writing to confirm the plan for tomorrow. Okay, we're talking here time, Tono. Morning's presentations. It's really important that everything runs smoothly. So let's start early and make sure we don't waste time. Please meet me in the boardroom at a quarter to 8. We need to set up the presentation. That will give us plenty of time to spend practicing it. Then, how about a coffee break at quarter past 9? The presentation starts at 10 a.m. sharp. So it means sharp exactly 10 a.m. Also, the presentation is scheduled to finish at 1 p.m. So do you want to have lunch afterwards? Let us book a table for half past 1. I want to relax after our busy morning. See you tomorrow, Sarah. Hey, so what do you think they're talking about, Tono? So in this letter, this is an email letter. What do you think they are talking about? They are talking about what?
think they talking about how the morning presentations
They are talking about how the morning presentation will be done. Okay. So can you see the underlined word? Okay, the one
yes
highlighted in bold letter.
is uh are they are playing early waste this time water two times by
Mm-hmm.
water top water pass break
Mm-hmm.
sharp
Mm-hmm.
book book a table and whole pass.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So that one. So we have here to answer a question. We have quarter, time to spend, break quarter past 9, sharp. Okay. Book a table for half past. So these are indicator of time and expressions. So now, please try to answer two questions in Get Ready. You can write your answer, sorry, in the chat box. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go, Tono, you can do it. And after that, we will discuss it together.
We do the vocabulary teacher.
No, 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 no. Get ready. This one, get
Oh,
ready.
get ready.
Get ready first.
Okay.
Are you done?
Blame me, teacher.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, Tono, done?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So, wait, ha? Okay, done na? Sorry. Okay. So, what are some phrases, Tono, used to mark time, and how can they be confusing in here? What do you think are the phrases that shows time, that it marks time? Like, give me one example. Like, one example. Like, in example, that you think use mark time. Okay, like book a table for half past. Okay, so this mark the time half past. It means it's 1:30. Half past one, it's 1:30. So there is a time. But what makes it confusing is you are gonna book a table. Okay, let me see. In the art, a phrases for a certain period, but it can be confusing. It's popular mean it's a preposition thing. In that at is a phrase specify specific time, but at can be confusing. A designated time. So okay, very good. So some of also of the prepositions here are quite confusing because it indicate time in the morning, at the noontime. Okay. So some of those are quite confusing. Number two, what are your impressions, Tono, of people who are early or late to meetings? What do you think? What are your impressions? Are you feel sad? Do you feel happy? What do you think?
I think when the people who are early to the meeting, I think they so are working. They have a daily, and when um I think people who are late to meeting, I think they is low and need to move fast when have the important things.
Okay. So of course, some people, of course, they will feel bad. Okay. They don't like the idea that okay, they're having a meeting, okay, and they are late with the meeting. So it's not really good idea to be late in the meeting, okay? So we have here, can you please reading lesson, okay, so we have here the vocabulary first. Okay, so please try to write a word that is similar in meaning to the underlined part. Please write a word that is similar in meaning to the underlined part.
Okay.
Hey, Ton, I'll just go to the bathroom, ha. Please wait.
Okay.
Hey, Don?
Why me,
Yeah,
teacher?
it's okay, it's okay.
Teacher.
Okay, so we have here, I know you're smart with this. Okay. Saan to? Okay, sharp. Okay. The meeting starts at 2 p.m. exactly. That exactly it means sharp. Very good. Make a reservations at the restaurant. Okay, book a table. Okay. Okay, next. The sales team needs time to rest. What do you mean rest? Okay, break. Okay, rest, it means break. Very good. Wow, great job, Tono. Okay, another one. Okay, so you have, oh, wait, me, Tono, ha? Tono, please get back in Zoom again. Okay, teacher will end this because it's almost 2 minutes, but then get back in Zoom again. Okay, it ha, the same link.